Welcome back to A Gato Getaway, my channel where I talk about old fashion, J fashion, and general fun with fashion. I'm so excited to have another haul video for you guys. This has been like sitting on the back burner for a little while now. At the beginning of June, I put in an order from a bunch of different indie designers. One of them is a designer who I've worked with several times, and I'm so excited to finally own a few of their pieces, and that is Decora. I ordered this and it came within about a week, which is just so exciting for me. I've worked with Camila Jones is the name of the designer. I've worked with her at a few different events. We're both members of a group called the Lolita Collective, which is a fashion collective made of J fashion independent designers from around the world. And Camila is so amazing. I feel so pleasured to have had the opportunity to spend time with them, and I've always loved their work, so I'm so glad to finally have some stuff. I don't know what my neighbors are doing. Who's banging upstairs? I don't know if you guys can hear that. Anyway, so I was so also like the packaging. It's her. I think this print is called Everyday Carry, but it's got all of these little designs on it. That's like her own custom printed packaging. Let's get into it. So, Decora is inspired by, of course, Decora fashion. But Camila designs all of her own illustrations that she has printed onto the garments, and it's designed to be kind of aggressively cute. I think that's even on the package is be aggressively cute. That sums up her whole brand in a nutshell. Okay, so here's my order slip, which is nice because I forgot what I ordered, which I have a package in a package. So this is a relatively new thing. Because I've worked with Camila a few times before, I've seen a bunch of their products. This I've not seen before. They have a bunch of original characters that they use in their artwork, and Camila, I think at the end of last year, released this, which is also a digital version. I have the whole set. I forgot I got the bundle. So this is Decora, the comic, and I think this is the first. Yeah, this is volume 1. It's the first issue. I cannot wait to read this. I read an excerpt that she posted on her Facebook. I'm trying to remember what social media platform was it. So she posted it on her Facebook. And oh, it's got a personalized message on the back that says, "Thanks, Paulina. Stay aggressively cute. Heart, 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 Decora." And then this is another thing I got. This is the, what is the name? I've got the list right here. This is the My Way sticker sheet. So it's got a bunch of slogan stickers on here, and then some of these are artwork that she's put on t-shirts as well. Like, I think that this gun is on a shirt. And I'm so excited to put these on things. Yay! Another thing, so the comic bundle that I got came with a pin version of the comic book itself. Like the comic book cover. That's the word, cover. And then it came with I think this is a temporary tattoo. It says Kawaii Hustler. Which, it's funny because, like, I'm looking at it in the camera and it's showing correct when it's showing mirrored in person, because you would stick it on you and then it would be... I think whenever conventions are happening again, I think I'll have to put this on my body. One of the other small items I got was this pin, which I have loved for a very long time. I'm sure you guys can read it. I'm not going to read it aloud, but I love this. It is such a mood. It is such a mood. I cannot wait to put this on an outfit. I think that the comic book pin is going to go into one of my J Fashion Ita bags. They're so big. So like this is like a 4-inch pin, and this one's like 3 by 2 inches tall. It's great. Oh yeah, it says metallic temporary tattoo right on the back. All right. Next. So this is what I'm most excited about. I love how we packaged them in this like really cute scatter heart print tissue paper. I have all of Hard Decora's clothing is like casual, comfy, cute, and so they make these graphic t-shirts that are like custom printed designs, and I feel like for a year and a half, I've been, like almost 2 years actually, I've been staring at this design, and I wanted it, but I never jumped on it because I couldn't decide what color I wanted, so I got both, and I got them in different sizes, so they're meant to be oversized, but I like my t-shirts a little bit more, you know, fitted, because I'm a bigger girl, so it's nice that they're oversized to begin with. I tend to be like a US 12, 14. So this is the small, and you can kind of see this is the design. I cannot remember the name of this character, but I know that I remember she's right here. She's in the comic, and I think that she's a fan of Hard Decora. I can't remember the actual storyline off the top of my head. I'll know it obviously after I read the comic, but I think Hard Decora is like a gang, and she's obsessed with them, and she really wants to join them, which that's a mood. I don't think I'm quite as aggressively cute as Camila, but is this really the small? This is the small. You can see, so it's gonna fit me the way I want, because it'll be fitted just based on how it is on the sides, but it's so long. It is so incredibly long. Like it goes, this is where my legs start. Like my hips are right here, my waist. It is so long. But so this is the black. I got the black in a small, and then because I wasn't sure if the small didn't fit, I was gonna give it to my girlfriend. So I also got the medium, and this is the pink colorway. And again, this is like, again, so oversized. The fit on this one, I can tell, is going to be a little bit better. It won't be quite so like form-fitted. I think that this one will fit me like a tube dress, and this one will just fit me like a fitted garment. So I'll try them on, and I'm going to post photos onto my Instagram, because I've been having a hard time with my YouTube voice unsyncing. This video is going to be mostly unedited, because I'm going to testing a few stuff out, which I should have said this at the beginning of the video. This is not sponsored at all. Hard Decor does not know that I'm doing this in any way. I just really wanted to highlight their amazing, aggressively cute designs. So here are the 2 shirts that I got. Love them so much. Cannot wait to wear them. You can kind of see there's the size difference between the 2. They're so soft. They're printed on American Apparel t-shirts, which is common for printed garments to be. Like, I feel like American Apparel t-shirts get used a lot for custom printing designs. And it's a sublimation print, so I can wash this and not worry. The print's never going to fade. At worst, the t-shirt will get pilled from wear and tear, which is common with pretty much all garments. So that's it. That's my Hard Decora haul. Thank you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for checking me out. And please check out Hard Decora. I'll leave a link in the description below. And stay tuned. I've got a few other haul videos coming up very soon. Have a great day.